Hello everyone, welcome back to the Art Spark. So today we're going to draw a very cute lion using a very easy method.
So let's get started. First, we're going to start with a very big circle in the middle of the paper for the lion's face. And then we're going to add two cute little eyes. You don't have to overthink it, just something. Oh, this one I made it a little bit bigger, but that's okay. And we're going to do nose, which is a triangle but upside down, okay? Like this. And then we can draw it black or whatever color you want. And then the mouth, which is two half circle curved up. We're also going to draw a little bit dots because that's what lion have. And then the whiskers, 1, 2, 3, 1, 2, 3. Now move on to the ears. It's going to be half circle on each side, like this. And then they also have a little bit slit. So we're going to add that as well. Now, this is where you can get very creative. We can go very static like this for the lion's mane, or we can go crazy like this, whichever way you want, okay? Because that's what lion's hair is. They're very crazy. So you can do whichever way you want, but just so long as the lion has a beautiful crazy hair. Now let's move on to the body. This is where it will be very easy for you because I'm going to teach you a very cool method, okay? So we're going to do essentially 3 letters. Doesn't this look like a 6? 6, 1, 1, okay? So let's start with the 6 on the left side. We're going to do like this, okay? So this is essentially the back of the lions and this leg. And then 1 here, and then 1 here. So this is essentially going to be the lion's front leg, okay? Here we're going to go start to draw a little actual paws for our little lion. So 1, and we're going to do some slit, and then 2, we're going to do some slit. And then lastly, we can't forget the last feet, okay? Like this. There you go. So that's our little lion sitting down. I hope you really enjoyed it and I hope you had fun drawing.